Boris, welcome. My name is Dan Kruger. I'm the editor-in-chief of Newconomy, and really glad to have you today. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Thank you, Dan. Good to be on the show today. So my name is Boris Moyston. I am a markets and investment management specialist. I started in the business a long time ago. I got pitched by Goldman Sachs on the investment management business there. And I joined that platform. And let me tell you, Goldman is a phenomenal place. The training was phenomenal. And if you want to know why they are very successful at what they do, it's primarily because they focus obsessively on risk and risk management and looking at the downside and always thinking, particularly when markets are high, but in all cases, what would happen if the market moves in a different direction? And how do we plan for that? And in most cases, how do we keep our clients abreast of that? So when something when we're in periods of high volatility or extreme volatility, how do we make sure our clients are ready and we're expecting that to happen? So that was a good experience. I covered family offices and smaller nonprofits at Goldman Sachs. If you look at where we need cryptocurrency the most, or where is Bitcoin valued the most, you step back and here in the U.S., listen, we have a lot of path dependencies on well-established institutions and well-established infrastructure. It's cool to have cryptocurrency. Most people speculate with it. They invested it with the hope that it'll become something of value in the future. If you look in the developing world, Argentina and China, in countries where you can't transfer more than $50,000 of your own currency, like out of the country, capital controls, currency controls, let's say in China, or in Argentina, where there's just huge volatility, your country just filed for bankruptcy and they're getting out and your currency is going all over the place and you want to sell your property, like what currency should you settle in? Like, should you settle in your fiat currency? Probably not. You're seeing a lot of people in Argentina doing big sales and settling in Bitcoin, right? There's a real pain point. If you look, the US is 25% of the global economy. There's a lot of world out there. You come out of our bubble, there are real pain points where people are using cryptocurrencies to solve real problems. And I think because of that, it's going to be a viable asset class in the future. If you look at, Japan is a decent economy, but they have had low rates for a long time. Now they have an asset class that's surging, that had surged, and the government is feeling as if this is an asset class that they should support for their youth, in essence, for their millennials.
Boris, this was fantastic. I appreciate your time, and it was very informative. You're a very interesting guy, and I wish you the best.
Good. Thanks a lot, Dan. Nice speaking with you today.
Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.